Hello and welcome to 4 great egg recipes from Cooking Company. Let's get started. For this first idea, you'll need a potato bag. Place a boiled egg inside, wrap it tightly and squeeze the egg so that it comes through the bag. Keep on squeezing until all of the egg comes out and put the pieces into a bowl. Now just add boiled potatoes, some mayonnaise, a little mustard and ground black pepper to create a cool breakfast. Mix everything together thoroughly, and eventually it will look like scrambled eggs. See? Grab yourself a plate, give yourself a good-sized portion, and top it off with some scallions or spring onions for that extra zingy flavour. Very cool. The second method you can try is cracking 4 eggs into a bowl and whisking them together, like so. When they're fully mixed, place your bowl aside and take out a frying pan. Add a little oil, set the heat on low and pour in a thin layer to create a thin, crepe-like omelette. Once it's cooked, use a spatula to carefully remove it from the pan. Place on a chopping board and use a pizza cutter to cut the omelette crepe into thin slices until they look like spaghetti. Try to be careful and make sure each slice is the same size, as that will make your dish look really special. See? It looks just like fresh pasta. Gather your pasta on a plate and top it off with some freshly grated cheddar cheese, or of course a different kind of cheese if you'd prefer. Some sliced cherry tomatoes, and a sprinkling of scallions. Looks just like a bowl of pasta. For the third recipe, place some food film or cling film over a small bowl and spread some olive oil over it. Now break an egg into the bowl. And then very carefully gather up the film so that it looks like a small pouch. Make sure that you don't spill any of the egg. Keep the egg securely in place by tying it closed with some kitchen wire. When you've done that, place the pouch into a boiling bowl of water. And wait until the egg in the pouch is cooked, usually around 4 to 5 minutes. Take the bag out of the water. Then place the egg onto a plate. The egg looks like small dumplings. Sprinkle it with black pepper and scallions, and it's done. Another great idea for a dish that looks like one thing, but is another. Look at that runny yolk. Now for the last recipe. Break 3 eggs into a bowl, and then add some salt. Whisk these 2 ingredients together vigorously, making it nice and smooth. Then pour the mixture onto a pan over a low heat and wait for the eggs to get cooked. Keep swirling the egg around to make it as flat and even as you can. While it's still cooking, add some ham, slices of cheese, and chopped scallion, and very carefully start to roll up the omelette, using a spatula to loosen the edges first and then gather up the whole thing towards one side of the pan. This might take some patience, but trust me, it will be worth the wait. Get it off the pan and onto a chopping board. Then trim off the rounder edges like so. Now, neatly slice the remaining omelette into pieces. And hey ho, it's your fresh egg roll. Delicious and ready to eat. Enjoy your eggs, and thanks for watching Cooking Company.